Hey everyone, thanks for your wonderful feedback on my last video.
Today, I've got something really important to discuss with you. And honestly, it's not something I thought much about until I dived deep into it. So, let's unravel some critical things you need to be aware of as we approach 2024. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, disinformation campaigns, especially with the upcoming Pakistan general election, US 2024 election. And it's not just about the US or some limited countries. These campaigns are becoming a global concern. Now check this out. This image looks real, right? But it's AI generated. We're not just talking about images of politicians, but also scenarios that can dramatically sway public opinion, like this doctored image of the Pentagon. Here's the kicker, folks. These images are not only misleading, but can be downright harmful. Like earlier this year, a fake image momentarily tanked the stock market. Imagine the chaos as we get closer to the election. What worries me is how these AI tools lower the bar for disinformation. Even I've been fooled a few times. It's a reminder for all of us, tech savvy or not, to stay vigilant. Let's not forget, AI isn't just about creating fake images. It's also about amplifying voter suppression and misinformation campaigns. With AI, such campaigns can become more personalized and widespread. I dug into some research and what I found was startling. AI's potential harm in elections is vast, from bot-generated social media posts to deceptive videos and robocalls. It's a whole new battlefield. Here's my take. Always double-check your sources. In the era of TikTok and rapid social media scrolling, it's easy to get caught up. But a little skepticism goes a long way in protecting yourself from misinformation. Moving on to another big topic, job displacement by AI. It's a real concern. By 2024, AI is expected to cause significant job shifts. But it's not all doom and gloom. I'll share some tips on how to stay relevant in this AI-dominated job market. The key? Upskill in AI. It's not just about avoiding layoffs, but about leveraging AI to enhance your career. And yes, some sectors are more at risk than others. Let's break it down. So, there you have it. AI's impact on misinformation, elections, and the job market. It's a lot to digest, but knowledge is power. Remember, staying informed and adapting are your best defenses in this rapidly evolving world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Your support means the world to us, and it helps keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay smart and stay safe.